Hello. So yes, today our onion juice hair growth challenge comes to an end. I'm going to end mine today. In fact, I'm ending it right now because yeah, I need to do something else on my head. Like the growth is so much and I just need to wash. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to take down the twist like this. I'm first of all going to shampoo my hair on this twist, and then after take down the twist and then deep condition. So let's get started. So my hair is washed with shampoo. Now I'm just going to unravel the twist.
There's power in your name that saved us all. So much power in the name Jesus.